What's up, video? My name is Rohit, and welcome back in a series of Python for absolute beginners. So, in today's video, we will deal with Python input and output. Alright. So, in Python, input and output are very important functions. So, it is a common task in programming to take input from user and display on screen. Alright. So, Python provide numerous built-in functions that allow you to output data and take input from user. So in this video we will learn about such functions like printf and print and input. Alright, so how we will print variables. Okay, so how you print variable? So here I assign a equals to 5 and I will just print a, so I will get output 5. And in second example, what I do, I will do b equals to hello. Alright, and I print b, so I will get hello on screen. Okay, print more than one variable at a time. So it is possible we can print more than one variable at a time. So I will do a equals to 5 and b equals to hello, and I will print a comma b, so I will get output 5 and hello. Alright, there are some example. Here I make a variable called age. In age I will store 25. In name I will store Jack, and in print I will, in a quotation I will do age, and जो भी वैल्यू हमारी एज नाम के वेरिएबल में हम यहाँ पे प्रिंट करेंगे एज लाइक दैट हमारे सेकंड स्टेटमेंट दैट इज अ प्रिंट पे हम नेम प्रिंट करना है. सो हमने पहले कोटेशन में नेम को लिखा जो एज इट इज़ स्क्रीन पे प्रिंट हो जाएगा. उसके बाद कॉमा करके हमने यहाँ पे जो वेरिएबल है नेम नाम का उसे यूज़ किया है. सो जो भी हमारी वैल्यू नेम नाम के वेरिएबल में स्टोर होंगे, लाइक यहाँ पे जैक है तो यहाँ पे जैक प्रिंट हो जाएंगे. सो आई विल गेट आउटपुट लाइक एज 25 एंड नेम Jack. Notice that age 25 and name Jack are printed in different line. It because printf function add line break character, that is \n at the end by default. Alright. In second example, in this example we will see the use of new line character, that is \n. This character signifies the end of line or end of line of a text and start a new line. Alright, so I will add here a statement like print in quotation first line, and I will add here a \n, that is the new line character, and after that I will print another statement, that is second line. So the output I will get is you can see first line, and there are some spaces of two line, and then our second line. Alright, notice the use of \n character in first printf function. Okay, take input from user. To take an input from user and store in it a variable, we will use input function. Okay, so for example, name equals to input, in quotation enter name. So like I enter any name, I will enter Jack, and I will just print hello, एंड जो भी हमारा कॉमा जो भी हमारे नेम के अंदर, नेम नाम के वेरिएबल के अंदर में. सो मैंने इनपुट में दिया था जैक, सो आई विल गेट आउटपुट फर्स्ट एंटर नेम, सो आई विल ऐड हियर अ जैक, एंड आफ्टर दैट आई विल प्रिंट, सो आई विल गेट हेलो जैक. हियर द प्रोग्राम डिस्प्ले एंटर नेम व्हेन you run the program, then you can enter a string which is stored in the name variable. Okay. Input function return string. In input function, the input function always return a string. For example, okay, so a equals to input enter something, so I will enter 55 and I will just print a. So variable a contain a string. Basically जो हमारा input function है वो by default कोई भी चीज़ को as a string input लेता है. Alright, so let's run in PyCharm. I will just open my PyCharm. Okay, so wait for a second. Okay, so हम पहले printf फंक्शन का यूज़ देखेंगे. लाइक मैंने a इक्वल्स टू 10 असाइन किया, उसके बाद मैं यहाँ पे बेसिकली प्रिंट कर सकता हूँ प्रिंट वैल्यू ऑफ a, print value of a. Okay, when I run this program, it will give the output like 10. Okay, now I have to add here any statement, so I will add a single quotation, single double quotation, in which I will print hello कॉमा जो भी हमारे ए के अंदर है. नाउ लेट्स रन द प्रोग्राम. So you can see hello 10. I get the output. Okay. If I have one more variable like b, and I will store b equals to hello. Okay, and I will just remove this hello in quotation, from quotation. I will add here parenthesis, and what I will do, I will just print b comma a. So the output I get is hello and 10. So let's run the program. Okay, so there is one error. Okay, so हमने जो b है इसको जो b में हमने इनपुट दिया है, असाइन किया जो वैल्यू, उसे हमें कोटेशन में करना चाहिए दोस्तों. आई विल डू इन कोटेशन hello. Let's run the program one more time. So you can see I get the output hello and 10. Okay, so I will print two variable at a time. Now it's time to learn input function. So what I will do a equals to input. और इसके अंदर में हम डबल कोटेशन ऐड करेंगे, and we will just print a message enter the number. Alright, enter the number, and we will just print that number using printf function. printf जो भी हमारा a के अंदर में है. Alright, let's run the program. So you can see the message on the screen that enter the number. So I will enter 25. One second, I have to click here. So I will enter here 25 and hit enter. So you can see the output I get is 25. Okay, now I have to print hello in quotation, in double quotation, hello comma a. So basically the output I get is enter the number. I will enter this time 35 and hit enter. So you can see the output hello and 31. Now let's learn about new line character. Alright, so I will use here a print function in one second. Print in parenthesis, I will just print the message hello, and I will use here a backslash n, and I will just print the second line, print hello in quotation, hello Minal. Alright, let's run the program. So you can see यहाँ पे कुछ extra spaces add हुई है just because of \n. Alright, I hope you understand this video. If you like this video, give a big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, save the playlist. Thank you for watching. Till then, peace out.